Okay, hey everybody, this is Bree coming to you from Umami Gourmet Coffee and Exotic Tea. And as you know, we do cocktails sometimes, and Valentine's Day is coming up. This cocktail is great for Valentine's Day or any day. And I wanted to show you now, this one is a twofer. And a twofer just means this one is for you and your hubby or your friend or your man, you know, your boo, whatever you want to call your significant other. And or what you can do is make two, drink one now and drink one later. Hey, I don't judge. Let's get into this cocktail. So this one is actually called a passion cocktail. Now, what we're gonna do, it's tequila based. It has some triple sec in it, some cranberry juice, some lime. So let's get into it. So we have 2 ounces of tequila. And I have ice in my shaker. 2 ounces of tequila. We have 3 ounces of cranberry juice. One ounce of lime juice. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm just gonna squeeze half the lime in there. Okay, let's put that in there too. And a splash of the triple sec, or 2 splashes of the triple sec. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2. I don't know how to splash, but let's hope that was good. So let's shake it up. And I'm gonna keep the ice in this one, okay? This was supposed to be for 2, but this is just enough for me. That's good. So I'm gonna change that to one very good cocktail. That's really good. Get all of that in there. Okay, so there we go. We have the passion cocktail. And if you want to make it for your significant other, just double the recipe. All of the information will be down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.